around 1 p.m. After Murudeshwar, we continued journey to our next destination, Jog Falls. It's about 2 hours drive from Murudeshwar. "90 kilometers from Murudeshwar and 400 kilometers from Bangalore." We really enjoyed this drive. It is very foggy and pleasant. Another half an hour drive to Jog Falls. We are entering the gate to Jog Falls. We parked our car. For entering into this gate, we need to get the ticket from the main gate of main viewpoint. We reached the main viewpoint. Collected the ticket and proceeded for the parking. Even though this is pandemic time, it is overcrowded, maybe due to Sunday. Jog Falls is on the Saravati River, located in the Western Ghats in Uttara Kannada district. It is the second highest plunge waterfall in India. It is a segmented waterfall which depends on rain and season, becomes a plunge waterfall. The falls are major attractions for tourists and is ranked 13th in the world by the waterfall database. The Western Ghats gives rise to the Saravati River that plunges from a height of 829 feet in 4 magnificent cascades, namely Raja, Rani, Roarer and Rocket. Time is around 3:45. We are done with our Jog Falls visit. Going back to Kollur. It is 90 kilometers drive from Jog Falls to Kollur. Next day morning, Monday, September 14th. Time is around 7:30 am. After darshan, we started our journey back to our home, Bangalore. On the way, we stopped in Ghat to watch the wonderful landscapes, streams and falls. It's around 11 am. On the way, we witnessed a sad incident. A deer met with an accident and died. I got down and endured. People around saying that it drank a few drops of water and took its last breath about 2-3 minutes back. I informed to the forest department immediately. While driving through guard sessions and through the forest, please be very careful and try not to hurt any animals.
Welcome home.
5 p.m. We reach our home. Thank you for watching.